Andrea Leigh, founder and CEO of Allume Group. At Allume Group, we realize that as more of your business is shifting online, new strategies and skills are required to be successful. We package critical intelligence from industry veterans, thought leaders, and practitioners, and we deliver it at scale, offering certifications in Amazon strategy, e-commerce strategy, and more via our robust online course catalog. Courses can be taken online, on demand, or via private workshop. And we also offer collaboration and connection opportunities via managed manufacturer share groups. I'm thrilled about the content that we have to share with you here today. Many of these courses have been years in the making, bringing together industry thought leaders and veterans, and also having a chance to see many of these strategies driving success. To learn more, sign up for our mailing list, follow us on social media channels, or contact a learning concierge to learn how to get your organization certified for e-commerce success.